Welcome to 1 Martin Street, a once and future place for education, for preservation, and for community. My name is Theimer Brown, and I'm the President and CEO of Historic Annapolis. I'm proud to share an exciting project underway, the renovation of the 1 Martin Building and Amphitheater. This site has an interesting history. Originally designed in the 1970s by architect James Wood Birch, the building welcomed visitors to the William Peka House and Garden. Historic Annapolis, in partnership with the state of Maryland, was restoring the house and garden in time for the bicentennial. As the garden was completed before the house, this auxiliary mid-century modern building served as a welcoming gateway. Over the years, the use of 1 Martin has changed. It's been a place for educational programs, as an archaeology lab, as a host for summer camps and our annual Mother's Day plant sale. Recently, it's been underutilized, but we're changing that. Our vision is to restore 1 Martin to reinvigorate this building and surrounds. We will reestablish its role as a welcoming hub for public programs in arts, music, history, and civic engagement, and will serve as a connector between 2 national landmarks, the William Peka House and the James Bryce House, in our historic campus. Phase 1 has been fun to witness. We've installed the amphitheater foundation. We've finalized the site design, which includes an inviting garden tunnel to the main entrance. Both the building and the surrounding site will be ADA accessible. And now we are actively planning a contemporary version of the original building in keeping with its historic form. Our vision has started to come to life with the installation of a new Alaskan white cedar shake roof. Momentum for this project is building, thanks in part to our generous donors who've already invested in this project.
1 Martin Street in the future, I see a lively setting, educational benefits to our city and to our surrounding counties.
For the future, I see a lot of activity of the cultural and educational type in an affordable place where people can come and perform and people can come and watch.
We felt like it was a perfect project for us to support because it's going to connect to all of the programs of Historic Annapolis, including the education program, which I have been fortunate to be part of. So it's a small building with a big mission, and we're just excited to be part of lifting it off the ground.
True to our mission, we see 1 Martin as a place for conversation and dialogue about the importance of history, how it informs our present and can help shape our future. Here will be a place to foster civic engagement for all ages, where all can feel a sense of belonging. As we move into Phase 2, we need your support. With naming and funding opportunities, we're building partnerships to make 1 Martin a dynamic space. Our goal is a grand opening in 2026 as part of our semi-quincentennial celebration. I invite you to be a part of the 1 Martin Project, a once and future place for education, for preservation, and for community.